My daddy Alabama, mama Louisiana. You mix that Negro with that Creole, make a Texas Bama. I like my baby hair with baby hair and afro. I like my Negro nose with Jackson 5.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is going to be a quick little tutorial showing you guys how I install this hair. I am loving this hair, you guys. It is gorgeous. And guess what, you guys? I always find some type of way to come through with a beauty on a budget. And you guys know everybody has been rocking the Mambo twist, the Bamba twist, like all of these different type of Senegalese twist crochet braids, right? Okay, so usually you're spending between $5.99 up to $8.99 for a pack of hair that has about 12 to 18 braids in it, right? Okay, so I've come across something new that Bobbi Boss has put out on their line, and it is the skinny Bomba Senegal twist. But hey, guess what, you guys? This is the catch. In one pack of hair, you get 36 twists. Yes, 36 twists. Not only that, they come in lengths 8, 10, and 12 in one pack. This is the hair right here, you guys. And I went to my local beauty supply store. This hair was $9.99. I purchased 6 packs of hair, but I only used like 3 3/4 of bags of hair. I still have 2.5 bags of this hair left. So this is definitely a beauty on a budget product. I did not want to have to spend $70 or $80 on hair. I still bought 6 packs, which I spent $60 on it, but I didn't need all of that. So you can really achieve this look, you guys, $40. $40. And you have this look. And I have been wanting the crochet braids, but I wanted like a layered look. And I'm like, you can't cut them because it's going to unravel. The ends will be just a mess. Then if you try to twist them back up and burn them, it doesn't burn good because the hair is flame resistant. So this right here, I'm loving it. I am loving it. Bobbi Boss, big shout out to y'all for coming up with this 3-piece in 1 pack situation. I'm loving it. Loving it. So it comes with 12, 10, and 8. This is the 12. This is the 10. And these are the little 8-inch braids right here. And so, yeah, I'm loving this hair. It's soft. I love the way that it's curled on the end. If you guys can see that, it is curled so cute. And I've gotten so many compliments yesterday. I've had them installed. This is my 2nd day. And I got so many compliments and questions about my hair yesterday. So I'm going to share with you guys how I achieved this look. I also wanted to share with you the hair because it is a great find, great buy, beauty on a budget friendly, okay? So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Be sure to share this video, you guys. Share this video. Let your homegirl know about this good find, honey, because, I mean, you can't beat it. 8, 10, 12 in 1 pack, and you get 36 twists in 1 pack. That's triple the amount that you would get in a single bag and for the same price. So you can't beat that. So be sure to share this video, you guys, on all your social medias. And don't forget to thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. And until next time, you guys, I already know I love each and every one of you. Bye, y'all. Mwah. Okay, so here is just a little clip of my braid pattern. I'm showing you guys how I merge my braids, and I found this little trick on Beauty Can Braids channel. If you guys want to check her out, go ahead. She has very good tutorials on this. But what I'm doing here is just simply taking my crochet hook, inserting it into the braid that's next to the one that I want to cross over. I'm pulling it through. I'm going to simply continue that braid down. So what I started out doing, I parted my hair straight back. So in all, I have 8 cornrows to the back. Even with them being crossed over, it's just 8 cornrows straight to the back. And as you guys can see right here, I'm just merging that hair in and finishing off that braid. So doing this method, it has you with less braids. Usually when you cross over, you just cross over the braid and you still have 2 braids. Well, with this method, you cross over your hair and you're left with just 1 braid versus each braid that you crossed over having a section where you braid it down. If that's not confusing, you guys, just watch the video because I'm trying to explain it, and yeah, it's just going all the way left. So right here, I picked up the braid that was next to that one, the end of it, to so I won't be left with a braid hanging down at the end of my hair. So once again, I just crossed it over with my crochet hook and continue braiding it down, as you guys can see, so that it left me with 1 braid. My hair is very, very, very thick and it's long, as you guys can see. So most times it is a hassle for me to find a good braid pattern that lays my hair down the way that I need it. So yeah, this is the braid pattern right here. I hope you guys understand what I was saying through this video. Okay, so here's my finished braid pattern right here. Yeah, I did the best that I could on my own head, but the braids might not look the best, but please believe me, they are very, very sturdy, very secure. You know, they're not going anywhere. I just had to find a way to stuff all of my hair into this braid pattern. Okay, so right here I have 24 braids, which is equivalent to 2 packs of the 12-inch hair that came out of the pack. So there are 12 braids of each length. So there's 12 8-inch braids, 12 10-inch braids, and 12 12-inch braids in each pack. So I have 2 of those right here, 2 of the 12-inch. And I'm just simply showing you guys how I insert or crochet the twist in. Very, very simple, you guys. There are a million tutorials on how to do this. So I'm simply inserting my latch hook, making sure my latch is back. I'm going to take the loop that comes on the pre-twisted hair, put it on the hook, close the latch, pull the twist through, take that little loop that's attached to the pre-braided twist, and just simply pull the end of it through that loop and tighten it down to the braid. Simple. That's it. So this is how it looks after I have installed 2 packs of the 12-inch hair right here. That's how far it got me. So right here, this is just random clips, you guys, of me just showing you how I crochet this hairstyle in. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to thumbs up, share this video, and of course, be sure to subscribe, you guys. I hope that this tutorial was informative. I hope you guys learned something. Pretty much the only thing that I thought was a little bit different in my tutorial than other people's was just the braid pattern. And like I said, I got that little idea from Beauty Can Braid, so be sure to check out her channel. She has wonderful tutorials, very informative. Pretty much anybody can learn from her. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and until next time, I love each and every one of you guys. Bye. So I didn't show you guys, but I went ahead and added some twists right here to the hairs where it was a gap. I didn't want that big gap, and no, my hair is not braided right there, but as long as it's going into a braid, you can place a crochet right there, even if it's just flat hair. So I did go back and I filled that in because I was not comfortable with that gap right there. I wanted everything to be as flawless as possible. So yeah, I just wanted to throw that in there for you guys, just in case you were wondering. No, I did not leave that big gap like that.